Hi, this is Kirti from Aviso, and in this video I'll talk about Aviso's trend module. One of the questions that is always on top of the mind is, am I on track to meet my number? Trend shows you a visual representation of that information. To access this feature, you will need to log into your Aviso application and scroll down to click on the trend icon or the graph icon. And on the trend chart, you will see that the y-axis is the amount and the x-axis is the time period. The red line here indicates your company's plan, and the blue line here is Aviso's AI forecast that is generated right from the beginning of the quarter, and that indicates what our AI is predicting where you will be ending at by the end of the quarter. And the green line indicates the amount booked or won to date. And the purple lines here refer to human judgment for most likely, best case, and commit, and these values differ as per your business metrics. And the yellow dotted line here is our expected realization, that is path to plan, which tells you where you should be at a given point of time in order to meet your target. You could also click on any of these two blue dots to know what's changed in Aviso forecast between a certain time period. Overall, Aviso trend at a high level is showing you where you are today, where you are headed to, and how close you are towards your targets. And it gives you enough time to make adjustments and decisions to your sales processes in order to meet your target. I hope this information was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to your customer success manager. Thank you.